Hello, this is Gihan Perera. How are you going on your AI journey, especially bringing your team along on that journey with you? Had an interesting experience recently when a leader asked me a question about AI and their team. I was speaking at an event last week about AI in the geology and mining sector. This is an industry that's had AI for a long time, and that use of AI is just going to continue to increase as it is in most other industries and sectors. And I was speaking at this event, and I'd got myself set up, so everything was ready to go. So before the event started, I walked outside and was just chatting to people as they were coming in. And one of the attendees obviously recognized my name on the name tag from the program and came up to me and said, "Can I ask you about a problem that we're having with AI in the team?" I said, "Absolutely." And he said, "I'm quite interested in doing more with AI in our team." Good. And I've got a team member who's also really interested and excited about it. She's really into machine learning and data analytics and AI apps and all those sort of things. So I want her to lead our team on this AI journey." And I said, "That's fantastic." I always say to leaders and managers, find an AI champion in your team, and it doesn't have to be you. And you have somebody who's going to lead that AI journey, and your job is to facilitate and help them. So I said, "What's the problem?" And this manager said to me, this leader said to me, "Well, there's actually two problems. So one is, I'm not convinced that the rest of the team is just as keen to go with AI. That some of them are even holding back, and they're a bit resistant because they're even worried that AI might take their job. And the second problem is that our senior leadership haven't quite got into the being really AI positive. They're not against it, but then, and they're not resisting it, but they're not quite convinced yet. So they're, as much as I want to do it, and I've got somebody on my team who I want to lead that journey, we're not sure about other people in the organization and even other people in my team." And I think that this is one of the most common issues that leaders and managers face when they're taking their team on the AI journey. Now, you might be so lucky that you've got a team and organization where everybody is crazy about AI. They're really keen, enthusiastic, excited. In that case, great, no problem. But more often, the situation is like this particular leader and manager was facing. So they have somebody who's interested, they themselves are interested, but they're not quite sure how to get everybody else on board. It's one of the most common issues that leaders and managers face, and it's one of the things that I'll be discussing and sharing some insights in my next public online virtual masterclass, which is all about some of the non-obvious mistakes that leaders must avoid if they want to be successful on their AI journey. It's coming up soon. It's free. It's public, it's open to everybody, so you'll find the link to register here. So please register, and because it is public, feel free to share the link with other people in your team and in your wider network as well. And if you're on the AI journey now, I'm sure you'll get value from it. I'll see you in the future.